see a problem. Man, this ain't working out like I thought it was going to. It's gonna be. Now my purpose of this is I wanted to have a small controlled fire that I could cook with this Dutch oven over. I didn't want it to be spread out and all that. So I'm gonna move around to this side. This is actually the top to an old smoker. Found it down in the woods. I don't know where the smoker is, so I cut a bunch of holes in the side of it. Well, not a bunch, probably not enough. And some holes in the bottom of it. Got it up on these rocks. Just kind of up off the ground a little bit so I can get some air. See how it's going to do. So far it's working okay. Okay, so we got that good and browned. Start adding my other ingredients. First thing I'm going to do is add these onions, but I can't do it one-handed. Okay, I'm gonna let those onions cook down for a few minutes and I'll start adding my other ingredients. So my beans that I bought, just regular pinto beans, pop top. Black beans that I bought, no pop top. Luckily, I had my good old knife that I made here. Just cutting right through there. I'm just really trying not to cut myself. I guess that's a pretty good testament to my knife. All right, we got starting to get a little color on our onions. They're getting clear, so we're gonna go ahead and dump these beans in here. We're gonna do the juice and all because we're gonna cook that down. This is gonna be black bean chili. It's gonna be pinto beans and black beans. Give that a stir. So there's only a few ingredients in here. We got 2 packages of Texas style chili seasoning, 1 for each pound. I got 2 pounds of meat in there, and 1 package of taco seasoning original. And that's all we're gonna put in there. And if it needs some more liquid, I might have a couple of cans of liquid out here, and we can add to it later on. It starts cooking down. Uh-oh. That looks like a whole lot of seasoning, but we'll see. Now, I have not done this specific recipe before. I was researching some chili on some Dutch oven chili recipes, and this version came up in a couple different ways, so I'm trying it out here. I like beans in my chili. I think if you don't have beans in your chili, then it ain't really chili. It's just seasoned ground beef. I know I'm cutting my head off, but I'm trying to get this in the frame. I'm trying to get this pot in the frame, because that's what I'm talking about. Y'all don't want to see my ugly face. All right, that's already looking like chili. All right. Look at that. It already tastes good. All right. Ooh, that's hot. Okay. You know what? I think I am gonna add some liquid to it. What did I do with my liquid here? We're gonna put, definitely need some liquid. We're gonna put about half a beer in there. Stir that up one more time. See there, I'm already messing with the recipe, but it looked like it needed some more liquid. I wish I had a better quality beer down here, but that's what was left over. Somebody left that in my refrigerator. All right. Now it's my intentions to let this cook. I'm trying to let it get real hot one more time, come to a boil, but I'm gonna plan on letting it cook for at least another hour. It's 15, well, it was 20 till 2 when I looked at my watch, when I put that back on there. So, is it right? Yeah, 20 till 2. So 20 till 3. Yeah, 2:40. I'm planning on taking it off and see if those beans are tender. I will take it off a few times and stir it between now and then. But so far so good for my little Dutch oven cooker. Okay, this is after just 10 minutes on there. It's starting to stick a little bit at the bottom, so I'm gonna have to pick it up higher off the fire, but I'm gonna keep cooking it. All right, it's been an hour. About to pull it off, see what we got. I pulled it off and stirred it up several times. We're fixing to try it out. Whew. It's a little greasy, I'll say that. Maybe that'll be good for my joints. Make everything come out easier tomorrow. Ooh. It sure smells good, I'll tell you that. I'm concerned about the amount of seasoning that goes into it, honestly. It's a lot of seasoning. All right, I'm gonna set this over there for a minute. Forgot my spoon. You can't have chili without crackers. You know what? We better let that cool down. Oh yeah, that's hot. We're gonna let it cool down for just a minute. All right, I got some in the spoon here. I've been blowing on it, trying to cool it off. I like the way it looks and it smells. Like I said, the only thing I'm worried about is the spice. I might have to scale back on that a little bit. Get my cracker ready. I dare say that's pretty good. To be so simple, and it's only ground beef, an onion, 2 types of beans, and 2 types of seasoning. 6 ingredient. Well, I put a half a beer in there. You know what? That turned out to be just right. Cooking in an hour, it's just the right consistency that I like for chili. Let me get you a picture of it here. There's consistency. I mean, it almost stand up by itself. Oh man, it's pretty good. Well, hey, thanks for watching me again out at my campfire, doing a little cooking and experimenting with some things I haven't done. I haven't cooked with this Dutch oven. The only thing I don't like about it is you can't take the top off when it's hanging by the handle. So I'm gonna have to work on that or work around it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a good day.